If you don't like boring Roblox maps but still love chaos and toilets, then you gotta see this! So there I was, zooming through a world made of toilets, pizza slices, rainbow clouds, and gooey slime. Suddenly, splash! I fell into a giant toilet. Flushed straight to the toilet kingdom. Everything's made of poop emojis, golden toilets, and oh no, flying plungers. Then tada! The toilet queen appears. She says, "Let's dance." So I bust out my silliest moves. Cat tail wiggle, toilet paper twirl, and ultimate flush flop. But wait, suddenly, a bazillion flying chickens zoom in. I'm like, what is going on? Boom! The whole world explodes into emojis. Roblox, you are so weird and I love it!